the exponential increase in technologies used around us. I mean, if you look at your microwave, your coffee maker, your fridge, they all have embedded systems in them, and if you want to become successful in this world, you'll need to know how those technologies work.
So our project is the automated bird feeder, and we are working with the Point Defiance Zoo and Aquarium.
I work for the Wild Wonders Outdoor Theater, and we have a wide variety of animals at the theater, but one of the things that we do that's really exciting, we have the birds fly freely throughout the theater.
They have to manually place treats on the platform to feed the birds that are being displayed. What they wanted to do was automate the process.
Well, we have never tried a remote system for giving the birds treats before. So once we had an idea in mind of what we were looking for, we needed someone to build it for us. We reached out to the UW Tacoma.
Our project is meant to use an image recognition algorithm to determine whether a particular bird is on the platform that they have at the zoo. But we also have a remote override. We have a remote control which the staff can use to dispense treats manually.
I have really enjoyed working with this team of UW students. They've been really responsive, and they had a lot of different ideas from what we had envisioned, and so it was really fun to collaborate with them and hear some of the ideas that they had.
So working with the Point Defiance Zoo and Aquarium was an amazing experience.
Each time when we go, we get a little bit of more feedback, so we get that input and then we apply it to our project.
We got to work on a product that's actually going to be used, and it kind of gave us a little bit of a jump start into the real world. We utilized several technologies to complete our project.
For the image recognition part of the project, we used the Raspberry Pi Zero to process the image that was fed in through the camera.
And the image recognition system utilized OpenCV and the Python programming language.
For the communication between the remote and the actual bird feeder itself, we use the Motinos, which are equipped with RF transceivers.
We specifically chose Motinos for their advanced encryption systems, which have a built-in AES 128-bit encryption, so that we can have a protection with our signal communication system.
The computer engineering program prepared us for this project by helping us build a solid foundation in math and science, but also in very embedded systems specific skills like working with microcontrollers, creating circuits. These courses prepared us for the project and really allowed us to work independently.
The CES program basically taught us to think. We had a lot of problems we had to solve. There wasn't any textbook answers to our problems. We had to think it out, talk to our peers. One of the biggest things that helped us prepare for was working within a group, working within a team.
When you are employed in the tech industry, you're supposed to meet certain deadlines, you have to adhere to particular standards, and this project was a good head start for us because we did all of those things.